Yo, what is up, guys? Thank you all for coming to the channel. Today we're gonna be going over some really interesting film we got here. As you can see on the screen, we got a bird of prey. I said it, a bird of prey. What made him want to come after my drone? That I don't know. But enough said, let's get into the video. Just zooming. See the smile on my face? That's about to change. Just minding my own business, right? I go into the air, right? Just, let me get a good view of the city. But I turn to maybe try to get this bird on film, try to get it out of its way. You cannot see it right now. I'll point it out to you. There it is. There it is. The bird of prey. And I'm its prey. Help me! There it is right there. It's coming down. Frame by frame. Whoosh. Right past my drone. Now I'm playing at full speed. Now for some slow motion.
Oh my God!